Everyone, today my video I'm going to do eyebrow. The eyebrow is already have it, but I do the renew color, new shape and new color. So first thing I do is I clean it. I clean this eyebrow. So as you can see, the client had the O shape. And now they want to remove the shape, one new shape and new color. So I have to renew color. I apply the numbing cream on the eyebrow. So I leave the numbing cream on the eyebrow for 30 minutes. And now we clean now and draw the shape. Okay, so this is the draw the new shape for her. Draw new shape for her. Draw the new shape for her. And now I do the outline first. I renew the color, make the shape done, the new shape done, and I need renew the color. It's the blue killer. It's I remove the color. This is position, and not many people can do it. They don't like it to remove the old shape and remove the old color. Many places they don't want to do that. But this client special, so I do it for her. You can see it, the old shape before, like here, and I remove it. I remove the old shape and then I make the new shape. You see it? See? The new shape. See? It is the old shape and I remove it, and then I neutral the color, and I do the new color for her. Like before, her eyebrow is the blue eyebrow, so dark blue eyebrow. So now I make it like a new shape for her, and renew new color is the dark brown color for her, is it? And they make for her the new shape, right? See it? See how good it is? So this eyebrow is not many people can do it because they don't want to fix the new shape and renew the new color. So that's I can do for her the best way I can do for her. So you like it? So my eyebrow is done now, and as you can see, it's the O shape, and I remove the O shape and renew the color and apply the new color for her. And it's a lot of work, so I can do the best way for her. And if you like my video, so it's subscribe for me and share and like, and we'll see you next video. Have a nice day.